Welcome to another edition of Kendrick's News, Views, and Reviews. And today, we will talk about the Samsung Galaxy Note 8 and the S8 Plus Android Pie update. And this is good news for the Sprint users because Android 9 Pie rolling out to the Sprint Galaxy S8, S8 Plus, and Note 8. And this is going on right now. Let's get right into it. Okay, so as of right now, if you have a Sprint phone, if Sprint is your carrier, and you have the S9, the S9 Plus, and Note 9, you guys probably already are updated, but Samsung is now rolling out Android Pie for the Note 8. Samsung's One UI is possibly the hottest update the company has issued for its devices. Owners of the S9, S9 Plus, and Note 9 have enjoyed it for a while now, and so have those who bought the new S10, S10 Plus, and S10e. But users who have the older generation of flagships from 2017 have had to wait a little bit longer. After a few months in beta, the S8 and S8 Plus updates began rolling out in Europe and is now crossing the Atlantic to the US. Sprint has issued the update for the S8 and the S8 Plus, and users are already reporting seeing the OTA notification. The update brings the March security update and weighs somewhere around, check this out, 1,500 to 1,600 megabytes. So make sure you have unlimited and fast connection before you download it. I'll take a pause here. So I had a lot of my subscribers that were asking me, when will they get Android Pie for their Note 8? And I told them it would be either in late March or early April. And facts, Samsung is always usually late giving out older flagship phones updates, and I keep telling everyone the same thing because of their newer phones. It's quite obvious the S10 just dropped, so they're not focusing people on anything but the S10s right now, I'm being honest. So it also depends on your carrier. Let's be honest. If you are with T-Mobile, or I would say maybe AT&T, you will get this later, maybe tomorrow or next week, because of the fact of the matter, Sprint seems to get updates quicker. Sorry about that, but just make sure you have that 1,500 to 1,600 megabytes so you could have an unlimited and fast connection before you download it. And this is what you should be looking for. You should be looking for the version G955U SQU5D SC1, or you will be getting G955U OYN5D SC1, G955U SQU5D SC1. And like I said, it comes with the security patch, and what you would see as soon as you get it, it will tell you what's new. You've been upgraded to One UI. That's what you get also with the Android Pie, Samsung's new interface. One UI brings you Android Pie with exciting new features and a whole new look and feel based on feedback from users in Samsung and Google. We recommend that you back up your important data to keep it safe before the upgrade. Some apps, including your calculator, Samsung Internet, Samsung Health, Notes, Members, and Pay, need to be updated individually after you update your OS. So here's what's new with the One UI. You'll have context settings and other information has been reorganized to keep you focused on the task at hand. Interactive elements have been moved to the bottom of the screen, so they're always within reach. New designs and features such as night mode help keep your eyes comfortable. Once you download it, your phone should be running Android 9 Pie with all the neat modifications of One UI, such as the night mode and more accessible icons on the bottom display. The OTA is rolling out for the Sprint Galaxy Note 8. So that is what's going on with the Sprint carriers. So if you have Sprint and you have a Galaxy Note 8, you should go to your settings and hit it and go down to software update. S8, S8 Plus, and Note 8. It has already begun rolling out, and hey, I wouldn't be shocked if T-Mobile, AT&T, and the rest of the carriers will be pushing this thing right along as soon as possible. So don't feel bad, guys. It's coming. Like this video, leave your comments, and subscribe later.